So, if this is your first time to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Peace of mind, that's just what I seem to find. Oh, yeah, I am in the mood. I just need some solitude. Oh, gosh, peace of mind, that's just what I seem to find. Oh, yeah, I am in the mood. I just need some solitude. Oh, God. Everybody tried to talk to me, but never wanna hear me out. Leave me alone. Oh,
It's
peace
just,
of
it,
mind.
it's stressing. You know what? Just come out of the relationship and also the boy left me. It's happened too much time, man. It's happened too many times. But don't you love me for me? No, but guess what? You need to tell them so you have a mental issue so they can help you to deal with it. Me can't change me. This is all God made me. Me can't change me, man. No, just you have to understand. Remember, when you're then going to the relationship, whosoever the person is, it's just not my life, just no, but you can't stop. You giving me, giving me all. You have to take the I'm tired of taking the pill every minute. I'm tired of it. But you will always have this issue then. You have to just be honest and just be true to who you are. You understand? Just help me, man. Me just the next relationship you're going into. Just open up and be honest. Me just afraid they don't want me. Me just afraid they not interested. If the person love you, sis, trust me, nothing would won't separate you. If the person love you, he will stick to you. I may say, girl, I may say, me not think me have the heart to tell them. To be honest, I don't think I have it to tell them. But just afraid them think different than me. Just be honest, man. Just be honest. Open up to the person and be honest, and then things will run smoother. You understand? Anyways, me have to go run now because me have the kids them to go take care of. You want a ride? Just walk and take a breathe and then it's alright. And just don't do nothing stupid now, please. Take care of yourself. Two chance.
Peace of mind, that's just what I seem to find. Oh, yeah, I am in the mood.
So welcome, brother. Some of the day I sit down and chill though, man. Just one thinking here, man. Yeah, man, me good, me good, me good. Say that the girl I'm that talk to, she decided that she don't want to talk to me again. But it's a pity she don't know say has one gone, one born. Yeah, but me there still. Just a juke one bill back and can't understand? A life full of ups and downs, but you have to try to take it easy, no sure. Yo, brother, me see one girl just passed me a while ago. Hmm. Hold on. Let me see one girl. Hello? Hi. Hi. Hmm. God. Brother, hold on. Let me call you back. Hi. How are you? Good. You see how fast I tell him I couldn't. I talk on my phone, and you had my mind just going all over the place.
Really?
Yeah. I was amazed by your beauty. I was amazed by just how perfect everything looks on you. I had to come to you.
Okay.
Yeah, I know it's kind of late now, but I was wondering if we could get to meet sometime and talk.
Just
And
like that.
well, I mean, if you're not comfortable, then you can suggest
I
other
don't
ways.
have a
But
problem, I
you
don't
sure?
have a problem. No. After all, I'm single.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I want
Are
to
you single?
Yeah, single,
A nice
free.
guy like you, single.
Yeah, it happened. It happened. Just I wonder, can I have your number? Can get
Yeah,
to,
sure.
can
Sure.
call you, can get to meet up and, get
No
to know each other
problem.
better. All right, what's your number?
419
Mm-hmm.
777 7.
7777. Oh,
Alright.
so that was six number a while ago. All
Alright.
right, by the way, my name is Kemar.
I'm Samantha.
Oh, nice to meet you, Samantha.
You
Wow,
too.
your hands are so soft.
Thank you.
Okay. Well,
Alright.
I'll definitely give you a call. I see that it's getting late, but
Alright,
I
you
hope
take
that
care.
you'll have a wonderful rest of the day today. Really, give me her number. Call her and see what she'll do with. Don't want her to think I don't know making a calls. Right now, more on somebody. Hello?
Yes.
Hi, Samantha?
Yes. Hi. You are right.
Hi, yes, this is me. This is Kemar. Oh, you thought I wasn't gonna call you?
Yes, I thought so.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm a man of my word, and once I make a promise, I'm gonna fulfill it. And especially with somebody as beautiful as you are, there's no way in hell I was gonna allow this opportunity to pass me. So I was wondering, because I'm sitting in my car right now, and honestly, my mind is just going crazy. I was wondering, could we meet up? Maybe I don't know if you're available. Friday, we could probably go and have like a picnic or something. We could just sit or lay down and just have a full blown conversation. We could get to know each other.
I would have
Let me
to
check
check my
my
calendar.
calendar with you.
Are you gonna check your calendar? Oh my God! So I see that you're that busy.
Okay, I'm available.
All right. So what time would work best for you?
Okay, could we do it like about 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock. All right. Yeah, 3 o'clock would work for me. So
Okay.
yeah, let's get that going then.
Alright, Kim.
All right. So I'll try to call you back later, but I'll definitely see you on Friday.
Alright.
All right. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Oh
All right.
God,
Bye bye.
peace of mind. Oh, peace of mind. That's just what I seek to find. Oh yeah, I
By the
ain't
time one time, Judy said, wife was in my house, and you do it, you get on phone. And one time, she run it down the run and start laugh. And one time, you go in the house, she go take you out, we pay my kitchen, you talk, you lad. As I said, talk about it, remember when I did rank with the man, and grandma did catch you, and the man did back you up, and grandma did beat you. That's a last year, me I talk about this year. It's still funny. This month and this set is funny. Especially when grandma hold up on the bed. Well, go and walk out so. Yeah, we could go and walk and talk. I'm so go by you. Look at wait. But right, you know.
Yeah. So what do you do, Samantha?
I'm a stylist.
What do you mean when you say stylist? What do you mean? You style people? What do you say?
Oh no.
Hmm.
I'm a hairdresser. I do hair, makeup, and nails.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I am an insurance broker. In fact, I just closed a big deal. So I'm now looking. What? Are you alright? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah. You sure?
Yeah.
Um, are you comfortable? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm comfortable. It's just that, the girls. Yeah.
The gross? Oh, okay, all right. Well, as I was saying, I am looking to be in a committed relationship. Like I said, I'm not in a relationship now. And don't judge me by how I look or by what I do as a job. To say, oh no, well you can't be single. But from the moment I saw you, I figured that this is somebody I'm very much interested to get to know. And
Right.
I don't know what your thoughts are, but I would definitely love if we could start a relationship.
Of course. I would love that too.
Yeah. So every relationship I've been in just don't work, but I hope that this time. Are you sure you're okay? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Look on a beautiful couple there, man. Wait, the mad girl that over Miss Sandra. Which mad girl? Wait then, the Bryce that there. Don't tell Mr. Bryce. Which mad girl? Which mad girl? The mad girl there, she come over Miss Sandra. I lie, not tell me say because the Bryce in a relationship with one mad girl. No, master, no. Mad girl, I go kill him. You know, she say, then no must kill him. You say she mad. Oh God, you know what? Me have to go tell Bryce, you know. You have to go let her. Because she go like to she number two. So that I won't spot for her. Oh God, me have to go tell Bryce.
I'll see.
I what?
I'll see.
Alright. Ready? Oh my gosh. You never see it coming, then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love. You never see it coming, then the next thing you
I'm
know,
so nervous. Yeah.
unconditional love.
Hi, Samantha.
Yeah.
So I was wondering, what are your plans for tonight?
I have no plans at all.
You sure
Yeah, I'm available.
you're available? All right. I was wondering if we could go to a fine restaurant to just eat some good food and just, you know, sit and talk. Okay, okay. All right. So yeah. Uh, so I'll come to pick you up. Maybe about 5:30, 6 o'clock.
Alright, no problem.
All right. So I'll see you later.
Alright.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Auntie Raquel, Auntie Raquel. Good evening, Auntie Raquel. Tell you something. I saw me come for talk to you about with Bryce, you know. The other day, me a pass on a lane. And I see Bryce with one lady. So tell me, I'm a
Let me
friend.
stop you right here, so. Remember, say Bryce a big man, you know.
Auntie, but listen to the
And
rest of the story, you know.
if you see, Kemar with woman, Kemar is a big man. What do you
Listen
have to
to the
say?
lady now.
Go ahead.
So my friend tell me to the lady mad. And she stop take her meds every time she there with somebody. So that means that she can't do anything to Bryce.
As far as me know, Bryce is not dating. So probably they're friends. I'm not gonna stop Bryce from talking to a mentally ill person.
They don't look like friends to me. They don't look like friends to me.
So does Bryce know?
I don't know if Bryce know, I'm not sure. I mean, I get no chance to talk to Bryce.
We don't go on and to mix up.
But that's true. The boy come from where Miss Sandra, and he said I want a Miss Sandra girl come from to, and he said she mad in her head.
Let's see.
I pay my sit over here,
Hello? Go here, yeah.
But that's true, auntie. You can't even call Bryce and ask him if he
Jessica, I hear you go on your yard.
Alright, then like
Young people who mix up.
You never see it coming. Then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love. You never see it coming. Then next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond, ain't looking for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love. Coming, and the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love. See it coming, then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love. Oh, just somebody to love, unconditional love. Oh, just somebody to love, unconditional love. Oh, just somebody to love, unconditional love. Just somebody to love. Oh.
Oh my God!
Hey,
What's up?
Nothing much.
It's been a long while.
I know. My friend.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Not bad. So how things with you?
Good. My love.
Oh my God, I'm proud of you.
Thank
So
you.
proud of you. Wow.
Yeah.
Gonna have a seat. We'll talk later.
No problem.
Alright.
Alright, so just excuse me a minute and
No
just go
problem.
to the restroom.
Alright, no problem. Alright.
The happy Vienna girl?
Oh gosh, I'm in love.
Wow. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
So you're telling about your little mental
No,
situation?
I can't tell him.
Oh God, man.
Can't tell
What
him.
is the
Sis.
matter with you?
Can't tell him.
I can't see you get another heartbreak.
You know, it just being love showing. He's just showing me love like crazy. I couldn't even tell him. Look at this.
But he
I mean,
love him, so he will love you for who you are.
I'll think about telling him, but not now. I don't think I'm ready
Come
to
on,
tell
man,
him.
do the right thing. Don't mess this up again, please.
Alright, no problem.
Please, promise me, sis, you will do the right thing.
Alright, sis.
All right, take care. And I'm so happy for you. Oh, God.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
You too.
Again, like, share, and subscribe. Come again.
Subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Try different time.
Hi. Wow. You look so amazing in this dress. Wow. This just confirms that I'm making the right decision. So, I have brought you here today, and I may sound psychotic by saying this, but after 2 weeks, I'm finally ready to make this decision.
Really?
Yeah,
What
and you made
decision?
Yeah, figured you were gonna ask that question, so instead of saying it, why not just show you?
Were you serious?
Yes, I'm very serious.
Oh my
I'm very
God.
serious. So,
It's beautiful.
as psychotic as it might be, Samantha, will you please marry me?
Yes! Oh gosh!
You don't wanna leave me out. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Mommy!
Anything about me.
I don't know.
You know what? Let me just go back.
No, sorry. Mommy! Oi! I have a surprise for you.
Oi!
Welcome, mommy.
Hi, good evening.
I have a surprise for you.
How is
This is Samantha. Samantha is my fiance. My fiance. This is my mommy, Miss Tyndale.
Hi, Miss Tyndale.
Mommy, say something now.
Hi. Hi, my daughter.
So what happened? Why you look like that?
Nothing. Something.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. What is going on now?
Well, I I found somebody. We met 2 weeks ago, and I proposed to her. So she's now my fiance. I'm sorry that I didn't get the opportunity to take her to meet you earlier, but I just felt like this was a convenient time for her to meet you now. So, mommy, say something now. Why? What happened? What?
Is this the same girl that Jessica saw? You
Jessica?
guys on a date or something?
Where she said she saw it.
Alright, never mind that. What did you say? You proposed to her
Yes.
after meeting 2 weeks ago?
Yes. What's wrong with that? True love is hard to find, so when you find it, you have to just take it.
What's going on here?
It's like me no grow you with sense.
What is going on here?
Young lady.
What do you mean? What could you expound on that? What are you saying to me? That I have no sense because I proposed to her after 2 weeks?
Young lady, let me talk. You can go inside. Just view the house. Let me talk to my son. Just view the house.
why are you doing this? Why are you trying to embarrass me in front of her? What happened? I thought you would have been happy for me to know that I found somebody that I truly love.
Kemar, I don't follow up with rumors and all these things, you know. But somebody came to me and said to me that they saw you with a mentally ill person.
What?
Is this the same girl?
Mentally ill?
But I feel like you're the one who is mentally ill. Because how can you be marrying a person you met 2 weeks ago? Do you know her?
Is this your life or my life? The last time
It is my life too. You're bringing the girl in our family.
I have, I mean, apart from her scratching all the time,
Hey!
I have never seen any signs that she has any mental illness. So I don't know what you're talking about. So if Jessica came to you and said, "Oh, she saw me with a mentally challenged person," Jessica should have came to me to let me know that this person that she knows has a mental problem. I'm talking to her.
I don't feel like this girl is the one who has the mental illness. I feel like it is you.
I feel like you're trying.
You're doing stupidness. You cannot marry this girl and you're not going to marry this girl.
Who is gonna stop me from doing it?
You're not going to marry this girl.
Who is going
You
to?
don't even have a house for yourself. Are you so you're gonna come with her?
No. If this is how you're going to behave, or this is how you think of her, why the hell would I want to come here? This is going to be very toxic. This is going to make me and her very uncomfortable. So why would I want to come here? I'll find my way. I'm an insurance broker. I'm positively sure I can afford to purchase or build or rent somewhere for me and her.
I suggest you left me yard.
I mean, if that's what it takes, so whatever. If that's how you feel about me and that's how you feel about her,
I'm just
honey, no.
I'm getting tired.
I don't know what you heard. What you thought. It's fine. To hell with her. I am with you. I love you. I care about you, and that is all that matters. I don't care what people might say or what she thought she heard. All right, let's go.
This is the woman you want to marry.
None of your business.
Being an idiot.
Just like you.
And me, you're going to come back to cry too.
That would never happen.
I did not like how your mother speaks to me. I did not like it.
Well, I didn't like what I heard. Like, why are persons going to my mom and saying that you're mentally challenged, you have a mental illness? Is there something wrong with your mental stability?
I don't know what they heard about me, where they get their story from. I don't know.
Are you 100% sure?
Very much.
So when I see you scratching and acting
It is normal.
like I'm trying so hard to believe you, like I'm trying to ignore
It
what
is normal. I scratch every day. It is normal. People scratch every day.
I'm trying. I'm trying so hard to ignore what has been said. Like I'm really trying.
So, oh, you're one of the person who loves to hear rumors?
It's not about hearing rumors, but if my mom is gonna come to me and she's going to say she heard from somebody else, then it's very hard for me not to take into consideration what she has said.
I'm serious. I don't have those problems.
And you're 100% sure about this.
Yes, I am.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna try to block out everything that I've heard. Everything.
But wait about. Wait, where do we go from here?
I
Where do we
just
go from here?
I just said to you, I'm going to try and block out every single
You
thing.
know, to be honest, your mother vibes, it just kill me. And then
Yeah,
you
but
you you act as if you don't care.
yeah, if after everything I just said to her,
But then it's like you believe her. Now you come and ask me these questions.
I'm not trying to be accusatory. I'm not trying to make assumptions. I'm not saying that I believe her, but I'm saying it has to be careful consideration must be taken into what she has heard or into what she has said. She's my mom. Why would she come to me as her son and say things if they are not
All right.
factual?
Okay. I get you. I get you.
I'm sure if you heard something about me, you'd confront me about it because you would be concerned. This is somebody that you're with. This is somebody that you're planning to spend the rest of your life with. So if you heard something about me, how would you feel? Are you saying that you wouldn't confront me, you would just ignore everything and you just let everything go under a rug?
At some point, yes, I would.
Yeah, but this is not the point for me. No, like I just heard about it.
All right. I am not mad. I don't have all of those
So
conditions
why are
that you're
people
hearing.
say
I
why?
don't know. I don't know. Please believe me. Please believe me. I'm not crazy. Please,
I'm trying so hard to
please
like
believe
she's
me.
my mom. Like what
Babe, babe.
why would somebody just go to her and
Babe,
say,
babe,
"Oh,
babe,
you know,
babe,
say I
babe,
saw
babe,
your
babe,
son
babe,
with."
babe, calm down. I'm serious. I don't have those conditions that they're telling you. Those are just rumors. All right? You believe me? Please, can we just go? Thank you. Oh, gosh. I wonder if they did make you something last night. I have a flight to catch, you know. It's now 1:50. Oh my god, I missed my flight! Oh no! We have a flight to catch!
What?
It's 1:15. We have a flight to catch.
What are you talking? What are you talking
Honey, we
about?
have a flight to catch. Come on. Oh gosh. I gotta do my makeup. I gotta do my hair. Come on.
What
Get
are
up,
you
get
talking
up,
about?
get up. We have to catch a flight.
A flight to go where?
We're gonna go to the spa. We're gonna do our nails together. We're gonna do our hair. You don't remember? We're gonna meet the famous Busamatic.
Are you are you okay?
Come
Are you,
on.
no.
Babe, come on. No, come, just come. Have you seen my makeup? Have you seen my makeup? What is this? My necklace, you can't fit. Oh gosh, my necklace. What is it?
Honey, no.
What is this? Oh, we got missile flight, babe.
Hey, relax. Just relax. Talk to me. What's happening?
Remember, we gonna see. We gonna.
No, we don't have any flights to catch. We don't have any appointments. We don't have no makeup, no nails, no nothing to do.
You sure?
I have work in the morning. Yes, I'm 100% sure. I have work in the morning. You have school in the morning. What are you talking about?
We have a flight to catch, baby.
We don't have any flights to catch. What are you talking about? Just relax. Just relax.
Oh gosh, we're gonna miss our flight, babe. Come. Oh god.
You need to relax. You need to just relax.
Remember the famous one, Mr. Mighty is gonna be on the stage.
You need to relax. We don't have any flights to catch. I'm going to work. I have a meeting in the office tomorrow, 8:30. You have school tomorrow at 9 a.m. We don't have any flights to catch. We don't have any Bustamantic, any mantic at all to meet tomorrow.
You sure?
Yes, I'm 100% sure. Now, can we please go back to sleep?
We don't have a flight at 1?
I'm 100% sure.
Alright.
100% sure. Now, please go back to bed.
Tired. Come to bed. Come to bed. What you say again? 1, 2, 3,
Honey?
4. Yes, sir.
I have a question, but I don't want you to take it the wrong way. I'm trying to wrap my head around something, because we spoke like a month ago,
Mhm.
and you assured me that everything was fine and everything that I've been hearing.
Everything is fine.
Right. So I want to know,
Mhm.
and I want you to be honest with me. What happened last night?
What happened last night?
Last night we were sleeping.
I remember that.
You woke up.
I did.
You did. And you woke me up telling me that we had a flight to catch because we were supposed to go and see Bustamante.
I did.
Yes, we had a
No, we
makeup
didn't.
appointment.
I didn't.
We had a nails appointment, and I was trying to fathom. I was trying to wrap my head around everything that was happening, but I was so confused. Are you sure?
I didn't do that. You sure? You sure weren't dreaming? You okay?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure I wasn't dreaming. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
If something is wrong, we can work on it together. But
I am okay. I am fine.
I guess I'm hallucinating.
Babe, you were just tired. You were just tired.
Right.
You feeling well? Are you okay?
Right.
He is still loving me.
Yeah, my husband is suspecting something.
So you're not taking your meds?
No, I try with that.
I thought you open up and be honest to your husband.
No, I can't do that. I think I was gonna be okay.
But if you're not taking your meds, you can't be okay. The meds is to keep you calm.
Just come over, please.
I am going to come over, but I think you should be honest to your husband.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Oh Lord, she's off.
Come over. Fine. Honey,
Yes.
I'm going out.
Going out where?
I'm going to Mandeville.
Okay. All right. Travel safe.
Thank you.
All right.
Sammy. Hi Bryce, how are you?
Hi, Trudy, right?
Yeah, Sammy sis.
I'm here. How are you?
I'm not bad, Where is Sammy?
She's not here. She said she was going to Mandeville or something.
Really? And she just called me asking me to come over?
Well, I don't know why she would do that, but it's a good thing that you came over because I have some serious concerns.
Alright.
Because she's your friend.
Yeah.
I think you might have the answers that I'm looking for, to be honest.
Oh Lord.
So, I know she's your friend, but for her best interest and for my best interest, I just need to know. I need to know. Firstly, is something wrong with her mentally? I need to know. And my reason for asking is last night, because I was supposed to go to work, I couldn't even go to work because in the back of my head, I think I'm with a mad woman.
Oh Lord.
last night she woke up and then she woke me up out of my bed talking about having some kind of flight to catch for some kind of nail and makeup appointment to see some Bustamante person or somebody.
Yeah.
That has me really concerned because like a month ago my mom came to me when I came to introduce her to my mom, and my mom said to me that somebody came to her and told her that this lady is a mad lady. I am with a mad woman. I confronted her about it and she confirmed she took Jesus off the cross, that she's not mental and nothing is wrong and everything is okay. But last night I witnessed for myself that something is completely wrong. So I need to know, because you're her friend and I'm sure you care about her well-being.
Oh Lord.
I'm asking, is there something that I need to know about your friend?
You know, to be honest, Sammy have a mental disability. And I tell her, advise her the next relationship she's going into, she must just open up to the person and tell the person what's wrong with her. Now I understand she's not taking her meds. Every time she's on her meds, she's okay. But as soon as she stopped taking her meds, she's off. I realized that on the phone when she was talking with me. But I thought she would be here. I didn't know she would just gone off, because she's not supposed to go on the road like that. So I don't know. I tell her to open up to you and she promised me that she would tell you. So I am not even sure why she didn't open up. That's what happened to her other relationship. She didn't tell them. She didn't be honest.
So I'm basically with a mad woman then. I'm with
Well,
somebody who has a mental deficiency, a
right.
mental instability.
But as soon as she take her medication, she's good. Whenever she's on her meds, she's good. To be honest,
But she keeps telling me that there's nothing wrong. So I don't know if she's on medication. So I cannot administer her to ensure that she's taking her medication on time and she's doing the necessary things to contain or to prevent her illness from affecting her, because she keeps telling me. I've asked her on more than one occasion to be honest, and she made it clear that everything was all right. There was nothing wrong. So how am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to help her in that?
She's afraid that if she tell you that she's mental, then you would leave her. That's why she's not being honest.
Yeah, but she's taking away this decision from me. She does not know if I'm going to make such a decision.
Please don't leave her. She would have a really bad breakdown. Just work with her. Whenever she's on her meds, she's okay. Please
What happened one night when I'm sleeping and something clicks in her head and she decides to do something while I'm sleeping?
She's not like that, As I tell you, as the only thing she needs is right now is her meds. As soon as she's on her meds, she's okay.
What are you doing here?
Sammy, calm down.
What are you guys doing here?
You asked me to come over.
Oh, what is going on here?
Calm down.
You ask your friend.
Get up! Oh. Get up! Get Get up! Get up!
Hey. Hey, relax.
Calm down.
Relax.
Calm down.
Relax.
Calm down.
Relax. Hey, sit, have a sit down, relax.
Sammy, calm down. Calm down.
You asked your friend to come over. Try and remember.
Calm down.
You asked your friend to come over. Try and remember. Relax.
Calm down.
Relax.
Where
Are
are
you
your
calm?
meds? Where are your meds?
What meds?
Where are your meds? You have to take your meds. Where are your meds?
You can't be talking those things.
I already know.
Relax.
I already know. She
That's
told
what
me
keep
what's
you
happening.
relaxed. Where are your meds?
Sorry.
Just.
Leave me alone. Leave me
Just relax.
I'm sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry about. It's alright.
Yeah, I had words to tell him.
Yeah. I'm happy that she told me.
That's the only choice.
I'm happy that she told me because at least now I know what I'm dealing with. Now I know what to no. At least I know what to now expect from you. I know what to do to help you. People with mental challenges, they need love and they need as much help as they possibly can get. I'm not. No.
Sorry.
I'm not going to be one of the persons who desert a loved one or somebody that I care about because they have a mental problem. That's going to make it worse. That's why you have all these people living on the street because their families and their friends have deserted them. I'm not going to desert you like that.
Thank you for being by my side. Thank you guys. Everybody leave, but you stay.
That's why it's always good to be honest. Honesty
Always
is the
be
best
honest.
policy.
I thought you were gonna leave too.
Well, you can't take away my choice from me. You can't make a decision for me that I have not yet made. You're making the decision for me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's alright. I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
He's still loving me, though I caused him so much pain. I've done my share of wrong, time and time again. He's still loving me, and I can't deny. Ever since he